Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Um, you know, uh, they mention all these great things about me. And I sometimes also, when I think about it, I worked on actually two of the biggest Pakistani songs, Pasuri and Jhol. I worked on this season and the last season of Coke Studio. I have worked internationally. I have done a lot of things you might have seen on Instagram or some projects. But I want to reintroduce myself to all of you. So let's start again. Hi, my name is Hashim Ali, and I am a failure. I have failed many times, and today I want to talk about my failures rather than my successes. Because I think what happens is that most of the time we talk about our successes to make people feel that they can achieve them. But I feel सबसे मुश्किल जो होता है ना वो होता है to go through the no man's land of success where you're neither here or there. I think generally life, if you look at it, it starts from a point A to point B, which is you're born and you die. In between point A and point B, you have a gazillion points A and point Bs. Whether it is something as small as being a child and learning how to grow, how to walk. So आपको चलना नहीं आता, your parents help you, your biology helps you, and you start walking. Point A, point B. And then you have bigger points A and point B. Coming to a university, for example, you have gotten into a university, you have to graduate. Point A, point B. You have teachers helping you. You have friends helping you. You have so many things around you that are leading you through this no man's land. And then the 20s hit. The scary 20s till the 30s because you're not a child anymore. You're not even an adult because adult तो 30 साल पे start होते हैं ना उससे पहले तो हम बच्चे हैं पर हम बच्चे नहीं हम बड़े हैं so उस time पे we don't know what to do with ourselves we're very confused हम लोग random चीजें कर रहे होते हैं to figure out who we are so the first time that you actually start feeling that failure is when you graduate and you're like अब मैंने करना क्या है अब तो जो मेरी set चीजें थी which were given to me अब तो कोई भी नहीं है now I have to figure out what to do with myself what is my life and that pretty much around the time when I started experiencing my own failures we talk about I've done pasuri I've done jhol I've done all of this thing but at the same time in the same breath I've also worked on one of the biggest flop films of Pakistan and the name of the film is something which actually led me to be kinder to myself and the film is called Dekh Magar Pyar Se. Those of you who haven't seen it, please go and see it on YouTube. If you finish it, please send me a message. It's a very difficult thing to watch, but it's one of my favorite things I've ever done in my life. Because what it taught me was the thing that the name itself gives you. Dekh magar pyar se. Look, but with love. And what is that love? That love is something we should have for ourselves. That love is something that we should look around us. Something that we do as creatives, as humans, especially as South Asians, is that we look at everything through a lens of hate, or almost a lens of ये अच्छा नहीं कर रहा, ये अच्छा नहीं है. अगर कोई अच्छा करेगा, so they'll be there, but suddenly as soon as they slip, ये ठीक नहीं हो रहा, इसको आता नहीं है करना. So we like to pull people down. And in doing all of that, what we have done is that we've stopped looking at ourselves through the lens of love. And you know what that love is? Our identity. I was in O levels and I was deciding the subjects that I wanted to take in my A levels. Or I did not study from here. My father is a diplomat, so we were in Rome. And I picked up, like a good Pakistani boy, I picked up physics, chemistry, biology with a side of English literature and arts. And I still remember my headmaster called me and said, why are you doing this to yourself? You are into the arts. Why do you want to take these subjects which are not made for you? And I said, because you don't understand. You're Italian. In Pakistan, the professions are, you become a doctor, you become a lawyer, you become this. Arts ka koi scene nahi hai. And imagine a person who's not even from Pakistan turns around and tells me, first of all, do you know about the National College of Arts? And I was like, no. It's like, there's an art institute in Pakistan. And mind you, this is Agora. Institute in Pakistan, one of the oldest in the world. Miniature painting, the Mughal miniature painting, sirf wahan pe sikhai jati hai. So you do have things there. And then he told me something very small, and I always quote it now. He said, and I'll ask the same question from most of you, what is the color of the sky? Huh? Colorless. But agar hum color dekhen to kya hai? Blue. And he said, do you know where the color blue comes from? No, like the physical color blue. It's not as deep. Multan. Balochistan. Sindh and Balochistan. The color blue in the world, one of the most expensive pigments in the world in Europe, comes from this region. The region that I thought was not into the arts, was not a cool place to be, but actually Sistine Chapel, which is in Rome, uski ceiling has been painted by color that came from this region. And here I am sitting there thinking, I don't even know this about myself, my identity as an artist. And then he said, who's one of the big female empresses that you know of? And I said, Elizabeth I, jo Purani, and not the one who died recently. And he said, at the same time, there was a Mughal empress, Noor Jahan, who was at par with her, who was creating things and fighting wars on behalf of her husband Jahangir. Do you not know all of this? And when he told me all of this, I realized that I don't know my identity. I don't know who I am because I have either not been told this or I haven't taken the time out to understand myself and my identity. And I'm in this extreme wasteland of being a confused soul, completely lost. When I came back, I said, one thing that I want to do. I want to work on this. I want to work on my identity. I want to fight with the system and say, yes, I want to be an artist. Yes, I want to do these things. And I was really excited, buzzing with ideas. An opportunity came along. It was a play. And I'm talking about 2000 and I think 12, 13. A lot of young producers were coming along and they wanted to stage plays. I picked up a script, which was Corpse Bride by Tim Burton, and I said, let's turn it into a stage play. I had these fanciful ideas. I was buzzing with creativity. I had a great producer. They were spending lots of money. It was one of the worst plays that anyone has ever seen. People booed. People left halfway through. The way I designed the production didn't happen. The cast wasn't working out. It was such a major blow to me as a human being that I said, ये तो शायद मेरे लिए है ही नहीं. मैंने करना ही नहीं है, मैं कर ही नहीं सकता. But I said, no, we have to try again. We have to do something. I did another play. It was called 303, Dabba number 303. People left halfway through. They could not watch it. They said, it's too long. I don't know what's happening. What is the set? What are these visuals? So all the things that they were telling that Hashim is this visual storyteller and this and that. No, you don't know. This is not working out. This is not happening. So what do? You stop fighting. You stop saying that, ये जो storms आ रहे हैं, जो चीजें आ रही हैं, या तो मैं उनसे पीछे हट जाऊं, या I'll keep on trying. Let's try one more time. I start working. I wanted to be an art director. The time that I'm talking about, on my face, people told me that art director कुछ नहीं होता है. Art director एक back पे जो आपकी दीवार है, वो दीवार बनाता है और उसकी कोई respect नहीं है. And here I am looking at Hollywood films where literally forests are being created by art directors. And I'm like, why can't we do this? Art की वही बात, कोई future नहीं है पाकिस्तान में. And by now, studying art history, I know that actually this is a lie. Art exists in this region. In the wall paintings of Lahore Fort, to the Sheesh Mahal, to so many places in Lahore, we breathe art. हमारे कपड़े plain नहीं होते, हम उस पे embroidery करते हैं, हम drawings करते हैं, हमारी patterns होते हैं. So गलत है बात. I was like, no, I will be an art director and I will make sure that it creates a system for people. I started working, I was working every single day. I was working very hard for my standards. And एक industry build up होना शुरू हो जाती है in the fashion world that everybody wants an art director. Obviously, when we're working hard, we want to be awarded and we want respect. So we have these award shows in Pakistan, Lux Style Awards. So I send in my portfolio, and there is no category for art director. And I get a call. And the call was from someone who was in the jury, and they said, Hashim, what did you do? I said, I sent in my portfolio as an emerging talent. And mind you, I've been working for so long. And they're like, why? I said, because, I feel like art directors need some kind of respect. They said people were fighting there. And the organizer said, "Ki, this is a background talent. We don't want them. Why are you giving them this respect? This is not a style award. This is not something jiske andar hum logon ko wo pushte hain." It broke my heart. It broke my heart because I was working morning to night, creating things, trying to create a space for an industry, for people, for visuals. And each time I'm being told, nahi ho sakta. Why am I telling you all of this? Because this is something that most creatives or most humans go through. That you're told, no, दरवाजे बंद किए जाते हैं आपके मुंह के ऊपर. कहा जाता है नहीं हो सकता, you're beneath this, you're beneath everything. This kept on happening again and again and again. And I said, fine, I'll just do this for myself. And for the first time, what happened, which actually I discovered with my therapist recently, I said to myself, I'm a human being, I'm an artist, and I have worth. And I want to stand by that worth. And then came along Coke Studio season 14. And there was one song in that season which I really resonated with. It was called Pasuri. When we started working on that song, it was a madhouse. Nobody wanted those visuals for that song. Nobody wanted a sari cladders. Nobody wanted all the visuals that you see in that. It's a clutter. It's too much. What are you talking about? This is not going to work. We're going to get backlash. I said, but this is our identity. This is who we are. Why are we creating these bigger pasuris in our life when our actually pasuri is with our mind, with our identity? So we went at it. I was like, karne de, dekhi jayegi, jo marzi hoga. I kept at it. And now when people turn around and say, oh, Pasuri is amazing, Pakistan, 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 it came from this idea that this is not our identity. Timsil did such a beautiful performance right now. Kathak was banned in the 70s and 60s. Dance was banned. And now these young people are coming along and saying, no, this is our identity. Do you know Kathak is the same steps jiske upar flamenco hota hai in Spain? In Spain, the flamenco that we see and we celebrate traces its roots back to Kathak. It's the same technique. But because we never gave it that uplift, we never made it that famous. हमने अपनी जड़ों को काटते हैं. So the point is that there are billions of ways that you can fail. To this day, I fail every day. But the biggest take back that I had from all of this, from all my projects, from everything, from point A to point B, that in all this stress of trying to prove something, trying to be something, we forget to live. And as youngsters, take this from me, a 35-year-old man, if you do not stop and breathe and acknowledge all your successes through failures, there's no point. You will be constantly stuck in the limbo of a no man's land because you will constantly be from A to B to A to B to A to B and to nowhere. So sit down and think that what your country offers you, what your passions offer you, and just go at it. There is no rushing through life. Life is not a TikTok reel. You're not going to get famous in a day. You're going to fall multiple times. But just remember one thing, that when you're navigating through this no man's land of life, when you're going through completely lost, just remember around you there are many people who are going through the same thing. They might seem bigger or smaller. And that's why I just want to let you guys know. Hi, my name is Hashim Ali. I'm a fellow traveler on this no man's land. I'm a failure, and that's how I succeed. I'm there to guide you. Thank you.